Hi everyone. We are here at the Tivoli Lagos Resort Hotel. This was one of the very first hotels built here in Lagos when the touristry industry started developing back in the early 1960s. It's a huge place, just sprawling all over. As you can see, that's all part of the resort. Beautiful gardens, so we'd like to show you around. We're Tanya and Martin, and we've been traveling the world, going to all the places that we've always dreamed of visiting.
We've still got plenty of places to go, so please join us as we plan our travels and continue our journey around the world.
The Tivoli Lagos Algarve Resort is just north of Old Town. We booked the hotel on Expedia for $94 a night. That included a full breakfast buffet. When we enter the hotel, we're greeted with a large foyer with an elegant winding staircase up to the main floor. There's a bar over here with lots of cocktail lounge seating in this room here. And also additional seating here. Really comfortable lounging area. Near the lounging area is also a pool table, and in the evenings they would build a fire in the fireplace. We go up these stairs here for breakfast, and they also offer dining in the evening. This resort is just huge. There was the building where the spa is, high-rise building there of rooms that belong to the resort. And this is the dining area all the way across. That's where you have your complimentary breakfast right there. The lobby is below that. And then, for example, we actually walk through that walkway there to go to our room, which is actually in that gold-colored building there. And as you come around the pool, you can also, there's a children's pool right over this way, and then you can come down here below this and you can stroll through the grounds here, through the garden. And there are even more hotel rooms over this way. All these buildings here. Just a really nice layout. The resort has a number of restaurants that offer a wide variety of cuisines. La Cobriga is a large dining area that offers delicious family-friendly cuisine. It's also the location for your complimentary breakfast. The Aroma Bar and Lounge is located on the mezzanine level where you can enjoy a drink and live music. La Terrazza offers authentic Italian cuisine in an intimate, cozy setting. These options are offered year-round, and during the high season months from March to October, the resort offers a wider variety of options. The Paseo Velo restaurant and grill offers authentic Portuguese cuisine with a warm and intimate atmosphere, adorned with traditional blue and white tiles and a beautifully terraced outdoor patio area, equipped with a grill for al fresco dining during the warmer months. Duna Beach, located at their beach resort, offers cocktails and tapas. And finally, you can enjoy delicious cocktails and snacks on the pool deck. The resort offers a complimentary breakfast that's very extensive with unique touches. We start with a variety of cheeses and cold cuts. We have a choice of soft-boiled or hard-boiled eggs. We have fried tomatoes with cheese, yummy sautéed mushrooms, baked beans and hash browns, and bacon, sausage, and scrambled eggs. and also sunny side up eggs. The honeycombed honey was a really nice touch. There's also a good choice of salads and fresh fruit. Outdoor seating is also available for breakfast. Here we are at our room. 2 storage closets, a safe, 4 drawers for your clothing, nice king-size bed, bedside table, coffee and tea station. The refrigerator is below the desk. We have 2 USB ports plus a multi-country socket. Very nice touch, and that's on both sides of the bed. Nice comfy chair. And here we are at the balcony, which overlooks the front of the hotel. Here's the bathroom. Nice large countertop, blow dryer, and also a magnifying mirror. And there is a shelf below for your toiletries, and nice big shower with the rain head and the handheld. The place is just gigantic and sprawling. It's almost like a 1960s ranch style house. And we are headed to the spa right now and the indoor pool. So there's a really nice jacuzzi here, and also the indoor swimming pool. Health club. We have a lot of different Nautilus machines. So here we are at the men's dressing area, and then as you come through here, we have the women's dressing room with a steam room that is actually out of order, and a sauna room, and a massage room. Table tennis table, sometimes known as a ping pong table. And there's also a lift for anybody who might need it. We are going to go down the stairs to the lobby and exit the hotel and explore the area a little bit. They also offer parking. Underground parking is €5 a night, but they also have free parking up above in an open lot. Here is the outdoor parking lot, which is free for the hotel. As you can see, it is huge. Lots of parking available. So we've just walked around the hotel's parking lot, and as we cross the street here, we're going to head over to the bus station, which is right here. So the nice thing about the bus station is it's so conveniently located. Bus station, just beyond that was our hotel. This way is the marina, and right there is Old Town, historic Lagos. Right across from the hotel was Luis's Bar and the Otista Bar and Restaurant. It had great beer and served delicious Portuguese cuisine and some bar food at a very reasonable price. So the things we liked about the Tivoli Lagos Resort were the friendly staff and its great location. The groundskeeper maintained the pool and deck daily, even though most days were too cold to enjoy it, and spent the remainder of his day maintaining the mini gardens, and it showed. The gardens were beautiful, lush, healthy, and pruned without looking, manicured. The housekeeping staff were very hardworking and kept the hotel spotless. Most of the floors were polished terracotta, which is gorgeous and warm, but any smudge or dust bunny would show. We would come back in the late afternoon and they would be mopping or sweeping floors or washing windows. We also enjoyed the extensive breakfast, the food quality, and the unique offerings such as fresh honey in the honeycomb, spirulina, various spices for your oatmeal and fresh yogurt, and a variety of raw nuts and seeds, acai, and quinoa. There were a few negatives. The hotel appeared to have some delayed maintenance. We were there during one of the rare rainy days in the Algarve, and the roof was leaking in a couple of places. The carpeting on some of the stairs were threadbare, and the outside walls of the hotel were definitely due for a paint job. Although this didn't really affect the quality of our stay, our main complaint, which did directly affect us, was that all of the outlets on one side of the bed did not function properly. So my phone was fully charged on the first day and was only 19% charged on the next day. Overall, staying at this hotel was a very nice experience, and the price was very reasonable considering its great location and the included breakfast, even for low season. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.